Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is going to be a home update, but more specifically, it's going to be like a home reset update video. Usually in home update videos, I'm getting in a whole bunch of new product. I'm showing you how I'm styling it. I'm updating things around the house, and there are going to be obviously like some updates, but I'm really going to be like resetting the house in today's video. There are a lot of like loose ends that I just need tied up, a little organized, a lot of things that are on my list that I've been meaning to get to. There is, of course, a haul in here. You know how I am. So there's new home decor that I'm going to be sharing in today's video, but I really wanted to reset, do some cleaning, do some organizing, just like put things back where it needs to go. Think of this kind of as like a Sunday reset, but a home reset during the week. I don't know. Hopefully that makes sense. But if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you want to hang out with me today, see how we update our house, see how we reset our house, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so the first home update slash reset is our bedding. I got bedding from Cozy Earth. You have to let me know if you've heard of this brand or not, but I literally just got their bedding in the mail and I'm testing it out, just experimenting and seeing how I like it. But so far, like my initial impression is that it's really nice. I just think this color is absolutely beautiful, and I will let you all know what I think about this. I also got some pajamas, and just like the sheets, like they're extremely soft. Like I have a feeling I'm really gonna like these. Yeah, I will have them linked down below if you want to check out Cozy Earth. I will be sure to keep you all posted and let you know what I think. Okay, you guys, raise your hand if you want to be Nala for a day, because she is living the luxury life, I'm telling you. I'm sorry that the lighting is a little bit off. It's early in the morning, but one of the first updates that I wanted to share is that we washed the couch. I've talked about this before. I actually filmed a whole video on how I keep my house clean, and I am able to take these couch covers off, wash them. Okay, go potty, Bree. Hold on, y'all. Okay, and we're back. Mom life. So like I was saying, I took the covers off. I don't know if you could tell. And then I was able to wash them. It looks so good. It looks so clean. I love this fabric. I've talked about it before because it is high performance. So it's easy to clean. I have to clean it often because it's white. Everything shows. But I would say a full wash, like putting everything in the washing machine, I do that maybe 2 to 3 times a year. So it's really not that bad. I usually just spot clean it. Also, if you're familiar with our house, ignore like the chips up there. Their class needs snacks for the class. Anyway, I got new pillows. For the couch. I love these. These are such nice quality. I'll link them down below. I think they're beautiful. As much as I loved the other ones, I just wanted something that was a little bit more simple, not so much of a bold pattern. So I love these. It's still a pattern, but the pattern is very small. I'm also very, very jealous of Nala. She is so comfy cozy. She fits perfectly on this. She's unbothered. If unbothered was a person, it would be Nala. I guess if unbothered was a dog, actually, it would be Nala, because she is the queen of unbotheredness. Okay, guys, so we are clearly in the playroom and it is time to really reset in here. There's so many toys that the kids don't even play with anymore. So yeah, we're gonna go through all of these toys. I'm gonna clean out, get rid of some things. Like some stuff is like you can barely even open it. I know there's old toys in there that they don't play with, so I'm gonna go through everything. I have these bins on top, and I actually bought 2 more. So I'm gonna have 4 of these bins lined up at the top, and then I obviously have these drawers right here. Get it nice, neat, and organized. Put the stuffed animals over there on that side, and just get it looking aesthetic as a playroom can be. So let's do this.
Got my head over water for the first time in years. Got my feet crossed the border from a land of tears. Ain't no way I'm going back under. Got my eyes in the wild blue yonder. Well,
Okay guys, a couple hours later, all the toys have been put in a garbage bag that's getting tossed or in a bag that is getting donated. So now it's time to put things away and organize it. I'm fully aware that in 4, maybe 5, I'll give it a week. 1 week, all the toys are gonna be just scattered anywhere in any bin. But for now, I'm gonna try to organize it where Briella has a drawer and a box, Archie has a drawer and a box, and then there's a drawer in the box for like miscellaneous things. Basically, I'm gonna categorize this stuff. So let's do it.
On the horizon, let's go find out. Feeling free to live my life, free to roll the dice, free to go left or right.
Okay, you guys, and a full day later, the playroom is nice, neat, and organized. I have all of their toys in either the drawers down here or in the bins up top. So I tried to keep it kind of organized where Briella's toys are in these 2 bins and these 2 drawers, Archie's toys, these 2 bins, these 2 drawers, but who knows how long it'll last. They have all their things over there. They really don't have that much. Like even in the drawers, it's like musical instruments, like it's not overly stuffed. We don't have a crazy amount of toys. I don't know, maybe on camera it looks like a lot, but there's like a big box right here of just puzzles. Like it's not that many huge, obnoxious knickknacks. So yeah, they just have their assortment of little goodies in here. Like look, in here we have like maybe like 3 things. We try to keep the toys under control because it can easily get out of control. So I'm actually constantly like rotating through this, but I wanted to show you all kind of what I do. I would say like every 3 to 4 months, like quarterly, I'll go through, detox, usually a lot more when the kids have like a birthday or Christmas, like around the fall winter season. I'm really going through it and making sure that like it doesn't overflow. And then this is kind of just like an overview of the playroom and what we've got going on. I organized over here a ton. This is kind of just like their learning craft area. So up in these shelves, I have books over here, learning activities, crafts, and then their activity table. I will link the playroom tour video if you're interested in knowing like, I don't know, like how we design this and just a thorough walkthrough. I put back all the pieces. I think I said in the beginning that I was going to hot glue the pieces on this dollhouse because the kids always like rip it apart. We ended up not doing that. I'm just like, you know what? It is what it is. Like we'll put it back together. So we just left it as is. This is the playroom. This is our playroom reset, and I love it. Okay, you guys, we went to Target and Walmart, and I wanted to show you everything that we got. A lot of this stuff is for the kids' bathrooms. Threshold was having a sale on their towels. It was like 20% off, so I wanted to pick some up. I have a little hand towel up here for Briella, 2 body towels. Like they all match. I'm picturing this looking super cute in her bathroom. Same goes for Archie, a hand towel and 2 body towels. And yeah, they have hooks in there. Obviously, I don't know why I had to mention that, but they have like hooks where you can hang up their towels, and I'm just picturing like the towels hanging and just looking super cute. Speaking of hooks, I have this gold one here for Briella's bathroom for the hand towel. I think that'll look really cute next to this sink. You all know we have like gold in there, so I just had to get it. This was an impulse buy, did not need her at all. It's this leopard print, simple modern water bottle. I think this is really, really cute. I was saying, I don't know, either on Instagram, TikTok, somewhere I was saying that I haven't bought anything cheetah print or leopard print, whatever this is, in so long. And I love how tonal this is. I love how it's matte and glossy, and it's gonna encourage me to drink more water, which is the best part. And then sticking with their bathrooms, I have these baskets here that can dry out their bath toys. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I tried to like put up a shower caddy in our downstairs bathroom. It didn't work out, so I'm hoping that these baskets are a little bit more promising. One will go in Briella's room, one will go in Archie's. And speaking of one in Archie's, one in Briella's, stems. I got faux stems. They didn't have any more than 2 of these stems at Target, so I just picked up the 2 that they did have. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them together, put them in a vase, or separate them. If I keep them together, I ended up getting this one as well because it's kind of like the same volume, sort of. This one is a little bit bigger, but still, you catch my drift. You know what I'm talking about here. You see the vision. So we're gonna do faux stems in the bathroom. I feel like every single room needs a faux stem. You know this by now. Okay, and then over at Miss Walmart, I have seen everyone and their mom talk about this Bissell little green stain remover machine. That rhymed. But it's basically like a hose. You rub it on your fabric furniture or a carpet and it gets stains out. With little kids, we definitely have a lot of stains. I mean, most of our furniture is high performance, so it's easy, but the couch in the sunroom, it stains easy, and my office chair. So it's really those two areas that I wanted to get this for, and the playroom couch upstairs that's white. So those are the white pieces that it's a little hard to get stains out. So I'm gonna use this. I'll keep you posted to see how I like it. Our downstairs bathroom needs some TLC. It needs a little bit of styling, so we're gonna head to Target and see what we can do. First thing I saw was this beautiful shower curtain. I think it's gorgeous. These lamps, not for the bathroom, but I still think they're cute. This wall art I definitely should have got, but this is everything that I did pick up for the bathroom makeover. I really wanted to try the shower curtain hack where you put two shower curtains kind of on either side, and everything was going smoothly until I decided to add the shower caddy. You guys, it was a hot mess. Is that awkward? It's literally just there. I just don't feel like returning. I'm gonna have to return this. 110% I'm gonna have to return that, but the show must go on. I'm putting the final touches on this little bathroom makeover. Still kind of on the fence about the double shower curtain, but overall I love how the makeover turned out. Guys, make sure you are following me on TikTok, on Instagram, because TikTok and Instagram saw this first. These are some of my favorite home organization finds. I love the broom organizer. These acrylic drawers literally fit everything that I need it to. It's great because they declutter underneath your sink. It keeps everything nice, neat, and organized, which you know I love. I also have this paper towel holder. I will link everything down below. These are just must-haves. The girls that get it. You need this. It's not a need, but like you need it. Okay guys, I quickly wanted to come in Briella's bathroom and just share with you a couple of updates. I showed you in the Target haul that we have new towels in her bathroom. Really, really cute. Like a purple pattern. I also got this really big shower curtain. It is so tall. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but it's huge. Just know that this thing is massive. This is another trend that I saw on TikTok that I wanted to test out for the shower curtain, just raising it like super high, and I love it. Like, it makes the whole bathroom look huge, which makes perfect sense because when you bring your curtains in a regular room up high, it looks big. So yeah, I just never would have thought to do the same thing, apply that same concept to the bathroom with a shower curtain. But you guys, like, it looks so big. It looks massive. The bathroom looks honestly double the size. And then over here, we just installed that hook. Singular we. Rob did that and put a hand towel over there. And then I have those stems that I showed you earlier in the haul. And yeah, you guys, I just really like how this turned out. I would say Briella's bathroom is 100% complete. We are getting so close to a furnished house tour. I can't even, but yeah, looks really good. Let's move on to RG's. Okay, and this is what RG's bathroom is looking like. So I didn't do the curtain trick with bringing the curtains all the way up. I still might, but that just means I have to buy another shower curtain because even as it is, like, it's still pretty short. Like, the shower curtain is short and it's literally right up on the shower frame. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that. That might be in a future video. We shall see. I have new wall art in here. The stems that I showed you before, and RG's new towels that are just like the navy striped ones. I think they look really nice. And yes, just like Briella's bathroom, RG's bathroom is 100% complete as well, and I love it.